Rowdefield.
We're just having a family meal and he sprayed our table twice. I don't care what you make.
Another lovely deposit just left on our bale. A bag of dog poo.
Very well. Doesn't have to collect the shit.
On our bales. Oh, thank you very much. Whoever disposed of it. It's a good place to put it. Not. Oh, how delightful. Look what we have been surprised with. Some more fly. Tell you what, whoever done this, thank you. I've had the pleasure of cleaning it up. Thank you so much. What have we got? Cooking oil. Cans. Oh, that's full. Nice. Whatever's in there. Oh, Harry Ramsden's world famous fish and chips. Extra long life vegetable oil. Fully pourable. Thank you. Look at these treats we've been given. What's in here? The long, oh, more vegetable oil blends. Wonder what people have been doing with these. I think I've got a good idea of you. Oh, that's disgusting. Wow, got some nice perfume on from this. Fat fish and chip perfume. Lovely. Well, at least they've been respectful and put these ones in the bin bags. So this is what we have to put up with every day. Clean up other people's messes on the farm. So you think it's acceptable to put this on the fields. Thank you. I've just shut the gate on the way back through and my hands are so full of grease and fat I can't even do the padlock. I just had to go and grab a rag from the cab. Well, I don't think anyone would hit me up for a date smelling like this. Oh my god. It is delightful. So now we've seen the fly tipping. I don't know why, but I have a bird in the cab and it sat with me. It even, like, every time I swizzled the seat, it just carried on sitting there. Hi. I even seen...
Brexit, this is. Brexit. Nothing to blame but Brexit.
What, that we can't get on our plane?
Yeah.
There's no plane.
This is Brexit.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, we have reserved seats on plane.
Fingers crossed.
We've been and asked. Someone must have fancied a sleep in the field. They bought their mattress for a nice countryside view, but they didn't take it home. This is another example of fly tipping in the countryside.
And one we're going to clear up at our own expense.
Dan's not very happy.
No. I don't know if someone's wet themselves in the mattress, but it's possible. It looks well stained, whoever it's
It is well stained. Anyone fancy a mattress? It's free to collect if you want it. Hello, my name's Eleanor and I've recently just turned 21. I'm an arable farmer from Berkshire. We grow wheat for bread, barley for beer, oats for porridge. We grow some rye and also some turnips for the sheep. Through my social media, I really tried to bridge the knowledge gap between the general public and farmers and show people where their food comes from. I often go out to schools with my tractor and show people how food is produced, younger children and some older, and show them the red tractor on the food packaging logo, which they love to find. This really helps stimulate discussion, show people from right down, from little all the way up, where how food is produced. So that's one of my passions, and I do that through my social media as well. So I'm really looking forward to harvest time on the farm. I'm currently standing with an 8370 John Deere that we run on our chrome balers because we have a really big straw and hay enterprise. This year I'm really excited because my sister's actually going to be joining me, so it's actually going to be an all-girls team, which is really exciting. So alongside my farming, I'm studying at Harper Adams. I'm studying agriculture and crop management. So Harper Adams is based in Shropshire. This is a specialist university in the agricultural sector that's running such high-tech, innovative projects at the moment, such as the hands-free hectare. So I'm in my 3rd year, which means I'm down in Chichester on my placement year. I then go back to university for my 4th year. So whilst I'm at my job in Chichester, also studying and thinking about my dissertation, I'm running my own crop trials here on the farm to see if interrowing and combining beans and peas in my wheat is going to produce the nitrogen level up because of the nodules on the roots. So I'm really interested in this at the moment. It's just a trial that I drilled. It's nothing special like plot drills. I've just done it for my own benefit. Because the price of fertiliser is so high at the minute, we need to see if there's other alternative options. So my other area of interest is my dissertation, or HRP as some of you may know it. I'm doing this for my final year at Harper Adams University, and I am doing it on the effects of biostimulants on the root mass and establishment of a crop of milling wheat. So basically this means I am seeing if seaweed extract, a biostimulant, is going to enhance the growth and the establishment and the root mass of a crop of wheat. So what is Ellies Welly? It's a new feature to my YouTube channel, and it's where you can get a mention, and I'm fundraising for the air ambulance. Because if we were, as farmers, stuck in a field and we needed help, the first person we're going to call on is the air ambulance. So this is why I've chosen for the money to go to them. So what kind of things am I after? So we could do tractor runs, special mentions, proposals, events, business ideas or adverts or things like that, or even Cupid's Corner. I'll ask for you instead. So it's all going to go to Thames Valley Air Ambulance because this is what we're going to need for farmers. So if we've got no funding, there's no flying, which means there's no fixing. So let's keep them going with Ellies Welly. So this is an example of Ellies Welly, and I'm going to start it off with Caroline Drummond, MBE. So this is how it works. Keep this date. We've got Open Farm Sunday on the 11th of June 2023. This is for you, Caroline Drummond, MBE. So links are going to follow, but watch out for the new launch on Ellies Welly. I've got my next Ellies Welly. So we've got another one for Bartholomew's, as you can see here, Bartholomew's VI Workshops. So this one is actually at Rowdefield Farm, Training and Education, which is in Devizes. This is a good place to go. This is probably one more local places for me. And I actually took my tractor test here at Rowdefield Farm, Training and Education. Such a good place. They have sprayers, tests, slug pelleting, you know, tractor tests, anything like that, anything you can think of, and this would be the place to go. So this next VI workshop is at Bartholomew's workshop is on the 1st of February at the Rowdefield Farm Training and Education Centre. Really good, and you also get nice lunch. So make sure you go. Thank you, Barts, again for sponsoring me to do these Ellies Welly. It's really helping to go to a good cause towards the Thames Valley Air Ambulance, which is going to be the first people we need as farmers or anyone out there in the countryside if we're in trouble. So thank you again.